Beetroot is a delicious and nutritious vegetable that can be easily prepared at home. Here is a simple recipe to make beetroot. Ingredients: 3 to 4 medium-sized beetroot, 1 tablespoon olive oil or any other cooking oil, half a teaspoon salt, a quarter of a teaspoon black pepper, a quarter of a teaspoon cumin powder, optional, a quarter of a teaspoon coriander powder, optional, a quarter of a teaspoon garlic powder, optional, fresh parsley or coriander leaves, chopped for garnishing. Instructions: preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Wash the beetroot thoroughly and trim the top and bottom ends. Cut the beetroot into bite-sized pieces or slice them thinly. Place the beetroot pieces in a mixing bowl and add olive oil, salt, pepper, and any optional spices that you prefer. Mix well to ensure that the beetroot pieces are evenly coated with the oil and spices. Transfer the beetroot to a baking dish, spreading them out in a single layer. Bake in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes until the beetroot pieces are tender and can be easily pierced with a fork. Remove the beetroot from the oven and transfer them to a serving plate. Garnish with chopped parsley or coriander leaves. Your beetroot is now ready to be served. You can enjoy it as a side dish or add it to your salads. Enjoy!